The Olympics, where the world comes together, dedicated to the pursuit of greatness.
At 12 News, we're dedicated to bringing Arizona together.
With journalism that creates change.
I thank you guys for bringing this topic up.
And community events that change lives.
Helping to fight food insecurity.
Our victories are seen in the people we've helped.
And that is the ultimate win.
Thank you to everyone who supported me.
12 News, dedicated to journalism.
Dedicated to you.
No one covers Arizona like Fox 10. Must-see moments, breaking news, exclusive documentaries, and special reports, all in one place. Watch the best whenever you want. Streaming live and on demand, right now on the free Fox Local app. Must-see moments from AZAM, plus headlines and top stories. No one covers Arizona like Fox 10. Watch the best whenever you want. Streaming live and on demand. No login required on the free Fox Local app.
Made in Arizona.
Oh, delicious.
Everything built, branded, brewed, bottled, or even baked in our great state.
Really showcase Arizona.
So how'd they do it?
Mille Lacs is what we call it.
Pull it up and then lay it flat.
And then boom pow.
Inspiring stories of locals living their dreams.
We reinvested pretty much everything we could.
Our mission is to bring people joy.
The best is Made in Arizona. Wednesdays on Fox 10 News at 4 and streaming now on Fox Local.